Hi, Ian Aldridge here from Progressive Legal. I'm talking about our dispute resolution services today. We're experts in resolving disputes. We've got dispute lawyers that have got 20, 35 years experience as members of the team in all sorts of areas of dispute resolution, whether it be shareholder disputes, commercial disputes, debt recovery, franchising disputes, intellectual property disputes, trademark infringements, copyright infringements, responding to cease and desist letters, initiating proceedings, statements of claim, defences to statements of claim and representation at court, statutory demands, all these types of debt collection and enforcement of debts. We've got a lot of experience in dealing with litigation proceedings, both federal court, Supreme Court, local courts, etc. We're more than happy to help you with any of these disputes when they can happen to a business. We know that they're very stressful, time-consuming and frustrating, especially if you receive a statement of claim and have to answer it within a very short amount of time. Best to get some advice straight away from experts like us that know what we're doing with dispute resolution. And our goal is to either extricate you from disputes very quickly, or if you're pursuing others, to try and either avoid litigation at all costs and try and resolve matters without resorting to litigation. But if that's just not an option and we need to go through the dispute resolution process through the court, then guide you about the prospects of success and dealing with the costs and anticipated costs and disbursements that you might incur as a result of the dispute, and which avenue is best to recover, depending on the relief that you're seeking. More than happy to have an initial chat and go through for a fixed fee these types of disputes and give you some practical advice and have a look at the claim and see what you might want to do as a business. At the end of the day, you've got to do what's in the best interest of the business, and if you're a company director, that means either prosecuting infringements against the business that are causing damage. If the business is being defamed by a customer or a client that constitutes defamation and is causing damage, then you've got to put your director hat on and get some proper advice and then make the considered decision from there. Happy to have a chat.